Okay, great. So now that we are ready and we have installed the WordPress and we have logged into the admin panel, let us understand about the themes. You can find the themes tab under the appearance tab in the WordPress dashboard or in the WordPress menu. Under appearance, you can just click on the themes, and here we can see that there are three themes which have been added to this website by default. By default, WordPress adds 2019, 2017, 2018 also is added, and 2020. Now, these are default themes which are there and which define the look and feel of the website. So let me just load this website right now, and here we can see it's hello world is mentioned, sample page. So this is the design of the website. So mainly themes define the design of the website. Now let me just activate the 2019 theme, and once I have activated this and I refresh the website again, and I will see the look and feel of the website has changed, has been modified. In fact, there are hundreds of free themes which are available, and you can just choose one of the best which you want to match up your website look and feel. For example, I may select this theme, Saga Boat Light, which is again a plain white theme, and I can just click on install. Once I've installed it, I can activate it from here itself, or also I can activate it from the themes tab, and I can just activate this theme from here. And when I do that, it is asking me this theme recommends the following plugins: breadcrumb, contact form 7, and all the other plugins which require to run this theme properly. Since we are just examining the design of this website, we need not install all those plugins at this stage. However, we will be covering the plugins part in the coming video. I hope the idea about the theme is quite clear. Ideally, you should delete all the themes that you are not planning to use. So I will just go back to the 2020 theme. I will activate the 2020 theme, and the other themes I can easily delete. So I will just activate the 2020 theme which is there, and I've done that, and I will just delete the other themes which I've just installed or which were pre-installed. And when I visit the website again and I just refresh it, I'm able to see the 2020 look and feel coming back to the website.